Okay, so we start on all fours with the back nice and straight. Extend one leg and the opposite arm. Maintain that position for 10 seconds. Try and pull your shoulder blades down. And then come right back up into repeating it 6 times on the one side. And then we swap sides and repeat on the other side. 6 repetitions, 10-second holds in between. Then we move into a rest break. I like to use the cat and cow just for nice mobility through the spine. Nice and slow up and down, nice deep breaths as you're doing it. Repeat sort of 6 to 8 times. That should take about 30 seconds to 2 minutes to do this. It's a really good rest break. We move back into the Superman, but this time we do 4 repetitions on each side. Hold each position for 10 seconds and swap sides in between. For the next rest break, I like to do some wrist and foot mobility. Get those toes under your feet and just rock backwards and forwards 3 to 5 repetitions. At the end, sit back onto your heels and then hold that for about 30 seconds into a nice stretch for the feet. Last round of Superman, 2 repetitions on each side, hold each position for 10 seconds. Right, now we go into the modified sit-up. Hands behind the back, just above the pelvis. One leg straight, one leg bent. Tuck the chin and lift it very slightly up and hold that stomach in a nice contracted position. Hold the position for 10 seconds, relax. Repeat 6 on one side. And then eventually what you're going to do after those 6 repetitions is you're going to swap legs. And you're going to do another 6 repetitions each time you hold it for 10 seconds on the opposite side. Another nice little rest break. Thoracic mobility, lie on one side, hip bent to 90 degrees, arms out and slowly rotate in and out. Obviously I'm going to speed this up, but you do it nice and slowly, nice deep breaths in between, 6 to 8 repetitions per side. And as Dory would say, just keep swimming. More repetitions and more repetitions. 4 on each side. Then you're going to swap out and 4 on the other side. Then we move into a rest break. Now we do the thoracic mobility for the opposite side. Hip to 90 degrees, slowly open and close. 6 to 8 repetitions is all you need to do, and slowly try and increase your mobility as you do your repetitions. The final lot of exercises is a side plank. We don't bend from the side and lift up. We bend from the hips, almost sit down and sit up. Okay, after 10 seconds of holding that, you'll see I'm going to sit back down and hip hinge and then come back up again and hold that for 10 seconds. Repeat 6 times on one side. And then this is an interesting one. You're going to transition to the other side by rolling over. Very elegant. And then transition with hip hitches again, 6 repetitions on one side. And this one you're just going to keep rolling from side to side, and then we rep down, 4 reps on one side, 4 reps on the other side, and then you're going to slowly finish off with the last round of 2 reps on either side. And basically, that's a wrap.